I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. They're getting ready to pour the foundation. I just talked to the foundation contractor. Pretty grumpy guy. He doesn't want me up there. He thinks that I'll get hurt by the boom. And what we're talking about is they're going to pump this foundation so you can see the big articulating concrete pump. That's that truck right there. And the first load of concrete is going to be going in right here. Here's the concrete truck. It just barely made it up that hill. It's a big 6x6. It didn't spin much, but if that hill would have been much steeper, I don't know that he would have made it. But they are doing some last-minute reinforcement of the forms up there, the workmen, and they're going to be pouring here in just a minute. We're going to stick around and watch. All right, they're moving the pump. They're getting ready to pour. So the concrete's got to be pretty fluid to be able to be pumped. Probably a 6-7 inch slump. And just think oatmeal. That's probably the best way to describe it. As you can see, it's got to be a really strong arm. There's a lot of weight in that concrete and those pipes coming down, but they're getting ready to start doing it. The one young man up there that's got the olive green short t-shirt on and the khaki shorts, he's going to be finishing the concrete. He's got a trowel in his hand and he's getting ready. They're putting concrete out now. You can maybe see it coming out. I don't know, it's being blocked by that board, but they're going to pour that really short form first, and they want to get that to kind of stiffen up so that it doesn't bulge out when they start to do the high walls next to it. So I know you can't see that, but that's because they won't let me up there. But they're filling that really short form that's only about 1 foot 16 inches high. That's what they're doing right now. They'll march all the way down here. You can see they're kind of going from the right to the left, and they'll get all the way down to over here, you know, and finish that up, that short wall. So you can start to maybe see the concrete shooting out of there. It's not coming out fast. All right, so that's what a concrete pump looks like. We're going to stick around just a little bit more to see when they start to do the tall wall. It's light rain here right now, so it was really, really hot the last few days, but it's not a bad day to pour concrete, but it's a little wet. Thought I'd try to zoom in for you. See if you can see the concrete coming out of the flexible hose. They're kind of relocating the boom arm to make it easier for the man that's directing the flow. And there's the young man over there in the center of the frame. He is getting the top of the foundation nice and flat and level. That's his job. He's troweling the concrete in the forms. So here's how it works. The concrete pump, the concrete truck right here, you can see its chute is discharging down into the pump area. There's like a, I don't know, like a big tub there at the back of the concrete pump truck. And that's where the actual pump is. So the concrete gets dumped into this big tub. It's on the back of the truck. It's about 7 feet wide, 6 feet wide. And then it pumps it through that, right through here. This is where it comes out of the pump, and it goes up this pipe, and then it travels along here, and then eventually goes up and out, you know, all the way to the end of that flexible rubber hose. But that's how a concrete pump works. All right, it's starting to rain a little bit more. We're not going to be able to see much more of this, but they're pouring the concrete. They're going to get it done probably the next couple hours. But we'll see what it looks like in the next couple of days when they pop the forms off. We'll see how good they did. But I'm glad you got to see the foundation being poured and the big concrete pump. Pretty cool, huh? Starting to rain a little bit more. Got to get out of here. All right, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. If you want to buy me a raincoat, click that thanks button just under the video. Thanks. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.